Hi everybody, I am Shahid Israr. Today I will discuss how to configure or register Huawei ONT in Huawei OLT. We need to follow some steps for this configuration. Step 1. At first we need to discover ONT in our auto find list. Then after getting auto find list, this is frame slot on port. This is your ONT serial number. Then need to configure a service profile. Include service profile. You find your ONT specification. Here we use a ONT with Ethernet port 4 and ports 4. Then we declare VLAN which VLAN is assigned for which port, Ethernet port. Then need to configure line profile ID. Here line profile ID 5000 is a line profile ID and a description. In the include of line profile, GPON number and DBA profile ID. DBA profile ID is pre-configured and gem index. Gem are binding with a GPON and gem index, a VLAN is mapping by a gem index. Now need to add ONT device. Then need to configure VLAN, service port, one step we missing. Add native VLAN command your ONT port. Finally we pass VLAN address, uplink port and interface port, phone port. So let's go our configuration part. Display ONT auto find all. Here we found some ONT in our auto find list. Now we configure this ONT. So let's go our configuration part. At first need to configure service profile. ONT service profile, GPON profile ID 5000, profile name, new link, then enter. Now I declare ONT port and ports. ONT port, ports 4, Ether 4, then press enter. Then we configure VLAN address in Ethernet port 1, port VLAN Ether 1, 500. This is my VLAN. Then enter. Then commit or configuration for save. Then quit for exit this service profile. Then second step, need to configure line profile. ONT line profile, GPON profile ID 500, profile name, new link. Here profile ID is a unique ID. It is use your wish. Here I use 5000. Then GPon for DB profile ID 5. Enter. Here we use GPon 4 and DB profile ID 5. DB profile ID 5 which we create before. It is pre-configured. Now add gem index and gem ID. Gem add one to 6 ether GPon 4 which we previously created. Type enter. Now we bind VLAN address with gem mapping 1 to 6, mapping index 0, VLAN 5000. Then enter. Now commit, quit. Our service profile and line profile is configured successfully. Now we add our ONT. So let's go interface mode. Interface GPon 0x0 which we found in previously our discover list. 0x0 frame slot 6 PON port. Here we copy our ONT serial number. Also you show here display ONT auto find 6. This is our ONT. So now we add this ONT add 6 C6 SN authentication. Here ONT serial number, OMCI, ONT line profile ID 500, ONT service profile ID 500, description, new link, then press enter. Our ONT is added 6, ONT ID 16. It is automatically generated previously 15 ONT in registered or ONT device. So let's we verify our ONT is added or not. Display ONT info 6:16. Here we found some attribute. Control flag is active, running state online, config state normal, mesh state mesh. This is our ONT serial number, description, our line profile, Tcon4 DB profile ID 5, which we created gem index, VLAN mapping with gem index, ports and ether port, which we created service profile, and ether one port we configured VLAN 5000. So now need to add native VLAN. ONT port native VLAN 116, which we got before. Six 16 ether 1 ethernet 1 port VLAN 5000. Now press enter. Sorry, here 6 enter. Now we need to create VLAN ID and finally we create service port. Display VLAN 5000 enter. It does not exist, so VLAN 500 VLAN type standard smart. So far we use smart. Enter. Now we created VLAN ID. Now we configure service port for this link. Service port we use 5000. It is unique ID. You use another, that is your wish. VLAN 5000. This is your VLAN ID. GPON 0/0/6. Your frame slot port. ONT ID 16. gem port 1 to 6, which we created before. Multi-service user VLAN 5000 track transform translate. Now press enter. If you want to traffic table at your service port, type inbound traffic table index 1, outbound traffic table index 1. Press enter. A service port is created. Display service port 500. A service port is created. This is index ID, this is VLAN ID, frame slot port, ONT ID, GEM port, your bandwidth, here 2.5 Mbps maybe. It is created before. It is traffic table index number inbound. This is outbound. This is your VLAN translated. Now we configure this VLAN, your uplink port VLAN 500 0/2 0, then enter. Now we show VLAN MAC address from your service port and uplink port. Display MAC address VLAN 500 and enter. Here maybe no port connected. Also verification command in the ONT. Display service port 0/0/6 ONT ID 16 and press enter. Our ONT is up. This is service port, this is VLAN, frame slot on port, DID, GEM ID, TX cutter, RX cutter by inbound traffic table, outbound traffic table index. ONT is up or down. This is up. So let's go. Our ONT Ethernet port is up or down. We show interface GPON 0/0 display ONT port state 616 ether port all. Then press enter. Our all ONT port is down. If first Ethernet one port is up and then we found MAC address from client side. So quit. Now our configuration is done. Display service port 500. Our service port is up. Now maybe your client when connect UTP cable, your Ethernet on, maybe they got their link. Okay, so thank you. please share and subscribe my channel.